Angithi, all of you here, you can talk right, Angithi. That's the problem. I don't talk right, I'm well spoken. Azange mina ngifunde siyafunda daycare center. I went to Little Eagles Nursery School. Mshugantambo Primary. For tech. I went to Robert Shem Primary School. Marumo Fatu Comprehensive School for them for tech. I went to Sir John Adamson High School. And if you guys don't understand, I'll break it down for you. Angithi nina manphuma ku school trip or ku school outing benibiza kanjalo nithi school trip or school outing. With us it was an excursion. And when you guys came back from your school trip or outing, all you sang was for tech. No wonder good daily sign about 100 school children died in a bus accident. When we came back from our excursion, what we sang was, thank you, Mr. Bus Driver, bus driver, bus driver. Thank you, Mr. Bus Driver, for the great drive.